in this class we are going to discuss about test for difference of mean. So in the previous class we have seen about the sample size, and what are the two types of samples. So one is the large sample and another one is the small sample. So this test comes under the large sample test for difference of mean. So the formula for this test is that is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. So this is the formula for this. So now let us go to the question. So given sample of students from two universities and from the base in kilograms, the mean and standard deviation are calculated. Test the significance of the difference between the means of two samples. So here they are taking two samples of two different universities, and the mean is given by 55 and 57, and standard deviation is 10 and 50, and sample sizes are 400 and 100. So what are all the data given? So first let us write the given details. So first let us write the sample size. So sample size is denoted by n. Here we have two samples. So let me write as n1 is equal to 400 and n2 is equal to 100. Similarly, sample mean is given by x bar. So here we have two samples. So x1 bar is equal to 55 and x2 bar is equal to 57. Similarly, sample standard deviation is given. So sample standard deviation is given by S1 and S2. So S1 is equal to 10 and S2 is equal to 15. So in this formula, just we can replace sigma 1 square by n1, or this can also be written as x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of s1 square by n1 plus s2 square by n2. This also we can use. So now let us write the null and alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis H0. So null hypothesis H0 is nothing but there is no significant difference. There is no significant difference between population mean and sample mean. So since we are having two mean, so we denote this by H0 mu1 equal to mu2. Similarly, let us write the alternative hypothesis. So alternative hypothesis H1. There is a significant difference between population mean and sample mean. So H1 mu1 not equal to mu2. So this is a two-tailed test. Next one is level of significance. So level of significance here the percentage is not given. Let us take as alpha equal to 5%. So alpha equal to 5% level of significance. The table value that alpha is equal to 1.96. Next let us write out the formula for test statistic. That is equal to, since the sample standard deviation is given, we can use this formula. If the population standard deviation is given, we can use the first formula. So here that is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of s1 square divided by n1 plus s2 square divided by n2. So this is equal to root of, what is our x1 bar? x1 bar is 55 minus x2 bar is 57 divided by square root of s1 square, that is 10 square divided by n1 value is 400 plus s2 square, so 15 square divided by n2 value is 100. So when you calculate this, you will get z equal to minus 1.265. Now let us consider the modulus value. So modulus of that is equal to 1.265. So finally, let me write the decision. So compare the calculated value and the table value. So since mod z is less than z alpha, h naught is accepted. So h naught is accepted means there is no significant difference between the population mean and sample mean. Hope you understand. Thank you.